How to delete Android backup from Google account. So if you want to delete Android backup from your Google account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google application, Google search, and just go with the search bar and search for myaccount.google.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Just go with the option of data and privacy, tap on it. Once you go with data and privacy, now you need to scroll down and you will find an option of apps and services. Just scroll down and here you will have apps and services, right? You just need to simply go with apps and services. Just tap on apps and services. And once you go with apps and services, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go and search a Google service, which is Android backups right here. You can see that I have one backup right here. So if you want to really delete the backup, then you can simply tap on delete backup data and it will delete all of your Android backup. So that's how you can delete your Android backup from your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.